Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Duggee and the squirrels are playing in the deep snow. Last night it snowed quite a bit and it's very deep and very fluffy. We'd like to do a science experiment with the squirrels today. We have a glass jar and we're going to pack it full of fresh snow. After we fill the jar full of snow, we're going to take the jar inside and we're going to let the snow melt. And we're going to see how much water is left over. What's that, Rolly? You want to jump in the snow before we go inside? There you go. Whee! Now we have to wait at least an hour for the snow to melt. We'll see how clean the snow was. Wow! All of the snow melted and there's not very much water left in the jar. That's amazing. And there is a little bit of dirt in the water. So you may not see the dirt in the snow, but when it melts, you'll see it in the water. That's a fun experiment you can do at home one day if you have snow in your area. Well, thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We had our first snowfall of the year and our Sesame Street crew are helping plow and clear the roads. Ernie is driving a crane and he uses it to lift heavy objects that might be in the way of the plow. Cookie Monster is driving the bulldozer. He pushes the snow out of the way and piles it up in one area. Elmo is driving the dump truck. This looks like a good place to dump the snow. Snow reminds me of a special time of year, Christmas. Our Sesame Street friends are visiting their mailbox today. It has pictures of snowmen and snowflakes. And it looks like they have mail today. When the red flag is up, the mailman has put something inside the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, it's a special surprise. It's a Christmas cracker. And there are some pictures of animals. I see a bear. And I see a bird. Maybe that's a dove. And then a deer with antlers. Maybe it's an elk. And pictures of snowflakes and Christmas trees. Now, with Christmas crackers, you usually pull the sides, but I'm wondering if I can just open it by pulling out the tabs because I would love to reuse this beautiful box. But I don't think it's going to work because the tabs are starting to rip. So I think I'm just going to pull the ribbons and we'll see what happens. Oh, wow, it's split in half and the box didn't rip. I can reuse it after all. Wonderful. Now let's see what surprises were inside. What is this? It's like red tissue paper. You can unfold it and wear it as a crown on your head. And there's a little Christmas ornament and it's made out of some thick paper with a little ribbon. I'm going to hang this on my Christmas tree this year. We can put our surprises back inside and close the ball up so we don't lose them. And we need to make sure to close the mailbox door and put the flag down. Another part of Christmas is advent calendars. This year we have our After 8 dark minty chocolate surprises behind each door. Let's open door number 1 since it's December 1st. Do you see number 1? There it is. Carefully open the door, and there's my chocolate. Oh, it's wrapped up. It says after 8. A green wrapper. And it looks like the shape of maybe a Ferris wheel ride. And you can see some of the minty cream sticking out. And stay tuned for the month of December, and we may open more doors for more chocolate surprises. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way, we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. There is so much snow on the ground that our Teletubbies and Nunu toy can only travel by sleigh. They have Kristoff's sleigh from Frozen. A sleigh usually is on 2 skis, and it's usually pulled by a horse or, from Frozen, a reindeer. But I'm just pushing the sleigh with my hand. This is what the tracks look like. Ooh, I feel like doing a winter craft activity. I'm going to fill the lid of this tin with water. Place it outside, and I'm going to put all natural decorations in it. I'll start with these beautiful beans that I picked from my garden last summer. Count with me, tiny fans. We're at 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I also have some dried lavender and dried rose petals from the garden. Let's sprinkle some into the water. Now all we need is some string. Both ends of the string are placed in the water, and I form a loop. Have you guessed what I'm making yet? I'm going to make an ice ornament that I can hang on a tree outside. This will freeze overnight if I leave it outside. Okay, we're all set. The next morning, it's frozen solid. Oh, but one of the pieces of the string was knocked out by Puppy. Oh well, I can make it work. Let's take it out of the lid. Wow, it's beautiful. It looks like a glass ornament. I tied the string in a loop. Now let's go hang it on a tree. And now we have a pretty ice ornament hanging on our tree outside. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Bluey and Bingo have Coco and Snickers over, and we've built a snowman. We finally had enough snow. Whee! So we thought we'd have some fun with our toys. Let's have a closer look at the snowman. There are little sticks for hair, stones for eyes, and a big carrot. It was going a little rotten, so we thought that would be a good carrot to use, and sticks for arms. And of course, some leaves stuck to the snow that were on the ground. And somebody wants outside in the snow. Poppy's watching us from the window. Hi, Poppy. The snow is quite deep for our Bluey toys. It's almost over Coco's head. But it's nice and sticky and it's perfect for snowballs. Coco starts to push the snow. We're going to make a miniature snowman for our toys. It's also fun to jump in the snow when it's soft and fluffy. Let's throw our toys 1, 2, 3, and go! You can see the outline of each character in the snow. There's Bluey's tail. She landed on her side. Bingo on her stomach. Hi, Coco. And there's Snickers. Now the kids are almost done the miniature snowman. It's a little dirty from the leaves, but that's okay. They decided to use little pieces of leaves for the eyes. All finished. It's the perfect size. Now let's head inside. We need to open another chocolate from our advent calendar. Do you know what day it is, tiny fans? It's December 15th, and there is the door, a 1 and a 5. What will our chocolate shape be this time? Oh, it's another chocolate ball. And this wrapper has stars on it. And we've had a chocolate ball with stars and one with lines. Let's see what design the chocolate has on it. It's another chocolate ball with lines. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're with Upsy, Daisy and the Tombliboos. And the snow is starting to melt and we can see the sand and rocks on the beach. And we're ready to go explore. The snow is quite crunchy. It looks like ice crystals. Upsy, Daisy and I are going to look for signs of wildlife on the beach today. Let's go for a walk, Upsy Daisy. It doesn't take long before Upsy Daisy spots something. They are droppings from a deer. We get lots of deer that walk on the beach in the winter. And since they don't have a lot of fruit or shrubs to eat, they feed off of grasses and twigs. They grow a big, thick coat so they can stay warm. Let's see what else we can spot. The water is quite low because the snow hasn't melted off the top of the mountains yet. Uh-oh, Upsy, Daisy and I have spotted something that does not belong on the beach, and it can be quite dangerous. Do you see it? There's actually a few of them. It's a long, sharp, rusty nail. If someone steps on it, it could even go through their shoe or boot. If you ever get a scratch on your skin from a rusty nail or step on one, it's important to tell an adult right away. There are teeny tiny bacteria that can live on these nails, and they can make us sick if they scratch our skin. Can you spot any other nails on the beach? I don't want Tiny Treasures or Tiny Treasures Mini to step on any this summer. Do you see one? Upsy Daisy has spotted one. Good job, Upsy Daisy. After I collect these nails, I'm going to put them in the fire pit. Ooh, look how sharp that one is. Upsy Daisy has spotted a pretty rock. Oops! Oh, I should have been more careful with these sharp nails in my hand. This little rock is white and red. We found a total of 4 rusty nails on the beach. It's time to go. Oh, the Tombliboos say goodbye to their friend Duggee, who's also hanging out at the beach today. Butterflies mean spring is coming. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.